When it comes to keeping your carpets pristine, Bissell and Hoover stand as two industry giants with decades of experience. Both brands offer a range of carpet cleaners designed to tackle everything from everyday dirt to stubborn pet stains. But which one delivers superior cleaning performance and value? Let's break down the key differences to help you make an informed decision. Design and ease of use. Bissell carpet cleaners are generally known for their user-friendly designs with intuitive controls. The Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam, for example, offers 3 distinct cleaning modes that make it easy to select the right setting for your needs. Many models feature clear tank markings and easy-to-access components for maintenance. Hoover, meanwhile, has pioneered automatic cleaning technology with their SmartWash series, which automatically dispenses cleaning solution as you push forward and switches to drying mode when you pull back. This eliminates the need for triggers or buttons, making carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. The Hoover SmartWash Plus also features auto mix technology that precisely measures and mixes the solution with water automatically. Size and portability options. Bissell excels in the portable cleaner category, with popular models like the Little Green Machine, 9.7 pounds, and Spot Clean Pet Pro. These compact units are perfect for spot cleaning and tackling small areas without having to drag out a full-sized machine. Hoover offers portable options like the Clean Slate series and 1PWR Spotless Go cordless model, but their strength lies in their full-sized upright cleaners that balance power with maneuverability. Weight and maneuverability. Bissell's upright models vary in weight, with the Turbo Clean Pet XL weighing 17 pounds and the professional-grade Big Green Machine coming in at a substantial 42 pounds. Their portable models are generally lightweight, with the Little Green weighing under 10 pounds. Hoover's upright cleaners tend to be slightly lighter on average, with the Power Scrub Deluxe weighing around 18 pounds. The SmartWash Plus is designed with multiple handles for easy carrying despite its size. Hoover's design philosophy emphasizes maneuverability, with many models featuring a D-shaped handle for better control. Suction power and brush technology. Bissell and Hoover carpet cleaners show notable differences in their suction capabilities. The Bissell Big Green Professional leads with exceptional unsealed suction power of 12.09 kPa, making it the strongest performer in the Bissell lineup. Interestingly, Bissell's budget-friendly Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet also delivers impressive suction at 11.4 kPa, showing that price doesn't always correlate with performance. Bissell also employs various brush systems, with their flagship being the Power Brush Roll technology. The Turbo Clean Power Brush features a 4-row deep reach power brush roll that effectively scrubs, lifts, and removes stains and dirt. Hoover's suction technology centers around their dual V nozzle system, which provides equal suction to clean surfaces quickly and evenly. It utilizes their patented spin scrub brush technology across multiple models. This system features 360 degrees counter-rotating, removable brushes that gently wash and scrub carpets from all angles. The multi-directional brushes are designed to surround carpet fibers to remove dirt at every angle. Cleaning performance and stain removal. Bissell machines typically excel at deep cleaning and stain removal. The Revolution Hydro Steam stands out for its ability to use actual steam to break down tough stains. The Big Green Professional model is particularly noted for its exceptional suction power and efficiency in large areas. Hoover machines are known for their strong suction and even cleaning. The SmartWash Plus with Flex-Force power brushes is designed to clean deep within carpet fibers to remove embedded dirt and debris. The Power Scrub series features spin scrub brush technology with 360-degree counter-rotating brushes that scrub carpets from all angles. Pet Stain Specialization. Bissell has established itself as the leader in pet-specific cleaning solutions. The brand seriously excels when it comes to products designed specifically for pet owners. Their pet-focused models, like the Spot Clean Pet Pro, include specialized tools such as the Stain Trapper that prevents pet messes from reaching the hose or dirty water tank where they can cause odors. Hoover offers pet-specific models as well, such as the SmartWash Pet and Power Scrub Elite Pet, which come with antimicrobial spin scrub brush systems to help prevent odor and bacteria formation. However, Bissell generally offers more specialized tools and formulations specifically for pet messes. Water tank capacity and refill frequency. Bissell's Big Green Professional boasts an impressive 1.75-gallon clean water tank capacity, while their upright consumer models typically offer 1-gallon tanks. The Little Green Portable has a 48-ounce tank. Hoover's SmartWash Plus features a 1-gallon clean water tank and a 0.5-gallon dirty water tank. The Power Scrub Deluxe offers a 1-gallon capacity for both clean and dirty water tanks. Hoover's Portable Clean Slate has a 40-ounce capacity. In general, Bissell's professional-grade models offer larger tank capacities, requiring fewer refills during cleaning sessions, while their consumer models are comparable to Hoover's offerings. Drying time and technology. Bissell's Revolution Hydro Steam features a quick dry mode that helps carpets dry within 30 minutes. Their Express Clean mode on various models promises drying times of about 45 minutes. Hoover emphasizes quick drying with their Heat Force technology, which applies hot air directly to the cleaned area. The SmartWash Plus claims to dry carpets 35% faster than the Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam. Hoover's Power Scrub Elite features a quick clean mode that allows carpets to dry in less than 45 minutes. Durability and reliability. Bissell carpet cleaners are widely recognized for their durability and reliability. The Big Green Professional comes with a 5-year warranty, reflecting confidence in its build quality. Hoover has a long history in the cleaning industry and offers solid warranties on their products, with the SmartWash motor carrying a 5-year warranty. Some users report Hoover machines lasting for many years, with one reviewer noting their Hoover Steam Vac has been effective for 16 years. Specialized features. Bissell offers unique features like the Hydro Steam technology, which is the only steam cleaner that actually produces steam to clean and remove stains. Their Clean Shot feature on select models provides targeted pre-treatment for stubborn stains. Hoover's standout feature is their automatic cleaning technology that eliminates triggers and buttons. Their dual V nozzle provides equal suction to clean surfaces quickly and evenly, and their Wash-Rinse selector allows switching between washing carpets and rinsing to remove solution residue. Price points and value. Bissell offers a wide range of price points, from budget-friendly options like the Turbo Clean to premium models like the Big Green Professional and Revolution Hydro Steam. Their portable Little Green machine provides excellent value for spot cleaning at a lower price point. Hoover generally positions their products at competitive price points, with the SmartWash Plus offering advanced features at a mid-range price. Their Power Scrub series provides good value for those seeking a balance between performance and affordability. Upright versus portable models comparison. For upright models, Bissell's strength lies in their professional-grade cleaners like the Big Green, which outperforms many competitors in deep cleaning capability. Their Revolution Hydro Steam offers innovative technology for tackling tough stains. Hoover's upright models excel in user-friendly operation, with the SmartWash series making carpet cleaning exceptionally simple with its automatic operation. Their Spin Scrub technology provides thorough cleaning from multiple angles. In the portable category, Bissell dominates with their Little Green series and Spot Clean Pet Pro, which have gained popularity for their effectiveness on spot cleaning and pet stains. Hoover's portable options like the Clean Slate are capable but haven't achieved the same level of recognition. So, which is better? So, which brand cleans the most? The answer depends on your specific needs. Choose Bissell if you have pets and need specialized tools for pet stains. You want the most powerful deep cleaning for heavily soiled carpets. You need a portable spot cleaner for targeted cleaning. You're dealing with tough, set-in stains that might benefit from steam technology. Choose Hoover if you value ease of use and automatic features. Faster drying times are important to you. You prefer a lighter machine that's easier to maneuver. You want a machine that's as simple to use as a vacuum cleaner. Both brands offer quality products that will effectively clean your carpets, but their different approaches to design and functionality mean one may be better suited to your specific cleaning challenges than the other.